welcome to my channel, Ivy Rose Knows. So today it's my dad's birthday, and now we are gonna bake him his cake. I'm so excited! So we are gonna make him a lemon cake that's frosted in the middle, cause we know he likes lemon things, and lemon cake and strawberry frosting. So first things first, I'm gonna get the cake batter and get the scissors. Be very careful here, guys. Make sure to ask a grown-up for help because it's so dangerous. One by one. Okay, that will be enough. Wait, it's not enough. Guys, is that so silly? Gonna do that. And then I'm gonna pick it up. It smells like cake batter. And then I'm gonna, so first I'm gonna take some batter and pour it in the bowl. And make sure it's empty, guys. We want to have plenty of cake. You guys, so we don't have any eggs. We gotta call Papu for more eggs because he has chickens, and chickens lay eggs. So, Papu, we're having an Ivy Rose Knows video at baking my dad's birthday cake, but we have a problem here. We need some eggs, but we don't have any. So can you bring some to our house, please?
Okay, I'll bring them over, okay?
Hi, Papu. Thanks for the eggs.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna put in 3 eggs that Papu brought us. First, we gotta crack it like this. Break the egg. First, put in the yolk. Eggshell. Yolk. Come on. Good. In the garbage. Ew! Okay. 2 more eggs to go. Because I know 2 plus 1 is 3. First, yolk. Okay. Now the white one. Whoa. Come on, yolk. I need a yolk. Come on. Okay. Wait, it looks like the same thing. Now it's time for the coconut oil. Okay, so we put it in coconut oil, and last ingredient, the glass of water. Okay, so let's pour it in. Okay, now let's mixy with the spatula. Okay, mix. Mixing my daddy's cake. It almost smells like lemon. Wait, actually it smells like lemon pudding. It smells like lemon batter. So right now I'm gonna put the cake batter into 2 groups. So half for this bowl and the rest for the other can. So first I'm gonna start. First, a little bit. Woo. So just, oh, okay, whatever. I'm just dumping this all in. Okay guys, now it's time to put them in the oven to cook. Now we are going to put on the strawberry frosting. So now I'm going to take a spatula and rub it on. And then after that, I'm going to put on another layer. And all frosted. See guys? Now we are going to use 2 kinds of sprinkles. So now I'm going to put on the sprinkles. Okay, so first I'm going to start with this one. Okay, middle. Now I'm going to have a pinch of sprinkles and sprinkle it around. Doesn't that look so good? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!